How to fix the error code 0 into C004f213 error in Windows 10 or 11. Hello everybody, welcome back to our new channel video. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix error code 0 into C004f213 error in Windows 10 or 11. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix that error code in your Windows 10 or 11, you're just gonna head over to the search bar, and there you're gonna type in activation settings. Just search for activation settings there. After that, just open up the activation settings onto your device. Just type in activation settings and this will appear. Just go ahead and open it up onto your laptop or PC. After opening up, you'll be able to see the activation settings here. So here you'll be finding this kind of error if it is available. So here you're gonna troubleshoot the error here. You're gonna find the troubleshooting option here. You're just gonna troubleshoot the error from that particular here. And after finding this, you can find this I changed hardware on this device recently. Just click on it and you're going to select the device where you want to reactivate the Windows in. And after that, you're going to select it, activate the Windows and wait for the Windows activation to be completed. After the activation is completed, you'll be finding this like this has been completed and you'll be finding this everything. So that's how you fix your error code in Windows 10 or 11. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.